So look at all the different size fuses you can get. You can get a fuse for anything here. They have fuses for electrical panels that are the old screw-in type. We have fuses like that. Time delay, motor protection, indicating fuses, bus fuses is what. Bus fuses. Busman, Cooper. So, this is 5 amp. My fuse here is 4. So we're gonna give this a try. Hi, na 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 na. Yes, little baby hasn't been feeling good. Yes. So we are here today to pick up a new fuse. So I was able to find a 2-pack for $2.49, and this will fix both of my chargers. So that's just great. So they have got small fuses for Christmas lights. I didn't even think of trying to use one of those for my Christmas lights for this. So I need a 4 amp, and they don't really even have a 4 amp. They have a 5 amp. So we're going to give that a try because it says up to 5. 125 volts. This 2-pack is $2.49. And this 2-pack is $5.23. And as far as I can see, they are the same. So first I had to find the little spiral coating fuse connector in the middle to find out that that is time delay. There's others up here that are fast acting, and I don't believe that we probably want a fast acting. So this is what we're picking up today, $2.49 for a 2-pack. We're gonna go home and pop this in. The nice thing about this one is it is not soldered in at all. So let's go home and give it a try. All right, so this is my battery charger. And once I take care of this, I'll show you. But you gotta be careful, you can get an electric shock from this. My Ryobi 1 Plus charger, I had it all taken apart. And it would hold the charge, and I got a shock on it. And I wasn't even poking around in it, so always use caution with this stuff. That was not a nice feeling. So here's the little fuse. These are the Busman time delay fuses that I got, and this is my original Ryobi charger. So, all right. So as you can see, this little component sits in here, and it's real hard to get your little fingers in there, or your big fingers. So it'll actually slide right out, so you can snap that in there. Alright. Just pop that back in there. I want to make sure that your anti-strain is sitting in the right spot. These little 3 components here hold this into place. We didn't lose any of our screws, and I will tell you, I had this taken apart for a very long time because I was looking for the fuse online, and it's sometimes better to just take your part into the store. This is at least a 15-year-old charger. And it lasted for a long time on just that one fuse. I feel like it snapped quite into place. All right. So, repair complete. Ryobi 18-volt charger. Let's try her out. Got her plugged in. I found a charger, or a battery. This is the original battery that went to it. It will also charge the newer 18-volt lithiums, and just your regular, oh, they've got another version of this. I forget what it is. So, let's pop her in. We have the newer charger, and it's got some fault with it, so I thought I'll repair this one in the meantime while I figure out what's going on with the other one, because it's under warranty. So, there you go. We are back in business. So it's $40 for this new version of the charger, and we have this old one here, and this is the one that shocked me. So we'll figure out what's wrong with that one next. So thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.